Yo, what's up guys, Guido here back again with another video, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to replace the brake pads on your Monster Moto brakes. And the new brake pads I got from Amazon, and it came with 2 sets, so when these wear down, I can go and replace them and put some new ones in, and it was only $6, that sounds like a bargain to me. Also, if anyone's interested in these brake pads, I'll link them in the description. So, if you want to buy them, they're in the description. What you will need to do this job is gloves to protect your hands. That's optional, but recommended. Sunglasses or some sort of safety protection to protect your eyes. A 1/4-inch ratchet with a 10mm socket on there. And then an Allen wrench to go on those Allen bolts to take the caliper off. Brake clean, just to clean it because it's really dusty and dirty from the road and just braking all the time. And then obviously your replacement brake pads to go in there. The first thing you want to do is go ahead and just loosen this nut so then this cable right here can come off. Once you go and you loosen this nut right here, this should just all pop off like this. Like that. Also, as a little tip, when you go and remove parts, make sure you go and put them back together and just organize your stuff so you don't lose parts. Now the next thing you want to do is just pull this out. Like that. Just leave it like that. Then you want to get your Allen wrench and go and undo these 2 Allen bolts. So now just go and loosen the Allen bolts. Make sure you keep track of what comes off of them. And then here is your caliper. Like I said, make sure you go and keep your stuff organized. This part right there goes onto there, and then those are the 2 bolts that hold it in. And also, I just want to say something. This one has 2 spacers, this one has 1, and the one that has 1 spacer goes on the bottom right there. As you can see, there's already a little lip, so that's why it only has 1. Just for anyone that wanted to know. So now what you want to do is you want to go and undo those 2 Allen bolts so this part comes off. Now you just want to go and loosen them. So there you go. So I just went and brake cleaned everything. I went and brake cleaned the new brake pads just in case there was any dirt, dust, or oil from the factory. So anyways, now what you want to do, take this part, put it in there, then go and take this, put it in there just like that, then grab this, take this little part, lay it in there, then put it just like this, and then just go and put it on like that, and then just screw it back together. Okay, so everything is all back together, so now all you have to do is just go and tighten this. And also too, make sure you get these really, really tight because they're on there really, really tight. This is your braking system, so you want to make sure everything's done right and on there tight because it's your braking system. Also too, I'm going to go and brake clean the whole disc so it's nice and clean for the brand new brake pads. Now just go and screw the Allen bolts in, and remember, the one with 2 spacers on it goes there, and the one with 1 spacer goes on the bottom one where there already is a little lip. Okay, so now just go tighten this. Also just go and tighten this one right here. Once you go and get it all together, it might be rubbing on the tire, so you might have to go and adjust these right here so it doesn't rub on the tire. But thankfully, mine's not. It's perfect. So now, all you have to do is just go and install this little part, just like this, and then run your wire through it. It's really easy. Okay, also too, make sure this part goes through there. All you have to do is just stick it through, and then go and tighten this, and you're done. It's all tightened up, all good. You're all done. Hopefully you guys did enjoy today's video. If you did, make sure you guys drop a like. And if you're not already subscribed, make sure you guys go and subscribe. We're 5 subscribers away from 100 subscribers. So, 100 subscriber special coming up soon. Come on, guys. I know we can hit 100 subscribers. So, yeah, subscribe. Peace.